Namaskar and welcome back to the channel, boss. If you own a flat or if you are part of a housing society anywhere in Maharashtra, you know that managing everyday society issues can feel like a full-time job. Did your housing society management just hand you a massive penalty for delayed maintenance? Or is your committee still arguing over how to charge for water or parking spaces? But don't worry, I've got you covered. The Maharashtra government has completely overhauled housing society laws. We have a dedicated legal framework called Chapter 6 specifically for housing societies. Point number 1 is a huge financial relief. Historically, if a flat owner delayed their maintenance payment, managing committees could penalize them with a massive interest rate of up to 21%. But under the new 2026 rules, that penalty interest has been slashed down to a maximum of 12% simple interest per year. Your committee legally cannot charge a single paisa more. Point number 2 ends the endless fights over billing. Many societies used to charge service fees based on the square footage of your flat, which heavily penalized owners of larger flats. Point number 3 welcomes the digital era. The new rules officially legalize virtual and hybrid participation for general body meetings so you can easily attend and vote via video conferencing from anywhere. Point number 4 is a game changer for old buildings heading toward redevelopment. The government is pushing hard for self-redevelopment, where the society acts as its own project owner. To make this easy, the new rules allow housing societies to borrow up to 10 times the government-approved valuation. This gives your society the ultimate power to rebuild without a builder. Finally, point number 5 streamlines flat succession. Under Chapter 11B, a designated nominee can smoothly apply for provisional membership along with immediate voting rights by submitting a basic application. Is your managing committee following these new 12% caps and billing rules? Let me know in the comments below what specific issues your building is facing, and I will give you the legal solution. Don't forget to text us. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to keep your rights protected. See you in the next one.